Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for 25,000 limit Navy Federal Business Credit Card, which is basically Gobiz rewards, right? So how you can do it. So first of all, by the way, I've listed all the steps here carefully. You can just go through it. So you have to open a business checking account with the Navy Federal, right? So here this is official website, and here you have to just click on sign in or just click on apply now. Or for example, a checking account. So here for example, let's say that I just want to have to open a checking debit account. Now I have to just go to this option and click over here and click on open now. Once you click on open now, it will just redirect here and it will ask you all the information regarding it, right? So it's very easy thing to do. Now here they will ask you to approve you. So basically you have to enter all the details, your beneficial owner form as well as your certificate of good standings and everything, right? And you can just apply through your phone as well as, right? After that, aim for a credit score above 650, because if it's go below 650, then no way they're going to give you, right? So after that everything is done, you can use this or the products like use this credit card or debit card to buy other products for such as auto loans, mortgages, or personal loans, everything, right? Now once everything is done, Navy Federal will primarily look at your personal credit card profile. After, when you have applied for Gobiz reward card, you can get approved for up to $25,000 in a credit without needing to provide tax return, right? So if you just want to more than 25,000, 30, 40, $50,000, then of course you have to provide your income tax details, right? And after that, if approved, the Gobiz reward card offers no annual fee and 18% APR. It's great card to help you to build your business credit profile. Navy Federal is known for very generous with a credit limit, often approving applicants for $20,000 even with a limited credit history. So if you're one of them, then don't worry, they of course they are going to approve you. Now once you have the business card, use it responsibly by keeping your utilization low and everything you know about it, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.